Hi students, so today we will be seeing, this is the second week, we will be seeing precision modeling. So we'll start on location of a start on a point and on the coordinates like absolute coordinates, relative coordinates and polar coordinates. So when we see location of a point on a space, then the first thing that Rhino will ask you is the location of the start point of everything. For example, if you click on polyline, then it says start of polyline. Or if it's a point, then it's the location of point of an object, first corner of the rectangle, the start of the curve, the first corner of the base. So it will always ask you where to start. Like when you see location of a space, you can imagine like to locate a point on a space. If it's on a space, then you can choose Earth. Then if you choose Earth, then Rhino will ask you where on Earth. Is it in Ethiopia, in Africa, or where? So if you click on Ethiopia, then it will ask you again in Addis. Then from Addis, where? In art school, in sculpture room. In sculpture room, where? Is it from upside, from downside? So let's say your origin would be your center of your classroom on the ground, of course. So when we say start of polyline, then if you click 0, 0 and 0, then this means the first one is X, the second one is Y, and the third one is Z. So if all are 0, then you can simply type 0. And because it is a polyline, it means it's not 3-dimensional, it's 2-dimensional. So let's delete the third one, which is Z axis. So we don't need that. So 0, 0 means your origin will be on 0. Same to apply the command, you will have to click on enter. Then it knows where exactly you start. So it will ask you the next point of polyline. So let's say, because we are drawing absolute coordinates, let's say if it's 5, 0. So what does 5 applies to? Last time when we click, we started with file, new, centimeter, small object centimeter. So this means centimeter, 5 centimeter. So it shows you that it starts from 0, 0, then it's 0, 5, which means x5 and y0, I mean 5, 0. So x5, y0. So our next point could be 5, 5. Okay, so this means x is 5 and y is 5. You can see on the history line. And again, you can type 0 for x and 5 for y. 0 for x and 5 for y. So you can apply it by clicking enter. So you can see this one is, yeah. So you can simply type 0 because it is 0, 0, and you can say enter. So you have this rectangle. I want you to practice this absolute coordinate by making a rectangle using start of polyline so that you will understand different things like the absolute coordinates or the location of the spaces on the Rhino. Okay, let's make a golden section proportion boxes using polyline. So 5, you can start with 8, 0, 8, 8, 0, 8, and 0. Let's make the same thing with 13 also. 5, 8, and 13. Okay, let's say 13, 0, 13, 13, and 0, 13. You know, the latest version of Rhino 6 will show you two command histories. The previous one will only show you the last command you did. That's nice. You can also do by a cube of 2 centimeters also. You can type 2 and 2. I'm going the other way. And 0. 0 would be x and y. So we have 2, 3, 5. Okay, we don't have 3. Let's make 3. 3, 0. See? You can scroll it and 3, see detailed view. Okay, let's say 3 and 3. 0, x 0, y 3, and 0. Oh, we have nice drawing here. So I want you to make practice with dragging. I hope you did some exercises last time. Sorry, let's grid snap. Let's click on grid snap so that it will be active, so that it will your box will follow the grids. It will snap on the grids. So what I want to make is I want you to make a golden mean proportion. So this is what we call golden mean. Which you'll make a proportion of Da Vinci's theory, which is Fibonacci's theory, which you call the two numbers are greater than, which is the scale is 1 to 1.6. So here we did this exercise. So we have this drawing. Let's make an arc. Let's practice with an arc also. So when you click an arc, the first thing it will ask you center of the arc. And after you click on the center of the arc, then it will ask you the start of the arc. Where does it start? So you can start from here. Yes. So we will make a spiral using this arc and make this a center and change this one to here. Yes, you can do that. Or you can simply type arc if you want. And make this one your center and start from here and continue. Oh, sorry. Because we click on the grid snap, then it will follow your grids. Oh, again. So you can follow me and do this exercise. We used, okay, this one could be this 3, could be this way. And make an arc using this as center. So what we did is we make a golden spiral. After you did your arc one time, then you can simply click enter so that it will use the command you previously clicked. So you can delete the boxes which you have learned and the absolute coordinates, and let's select all these and let's go to join. This you can simply type join or use this one, or you can go to edit also and join. So we have a golden mean spiral, which all nature's proportions are used this way. So you can, I want to show you a tool called array also, which is a polar array. You can simply type polar, array polar. It will ask you, what am I going to array for you? This is a polar. This is the spiral. The number of arrays that you want to make. I will make it 8. So it will ask you the angles. By default, it has 360. So you can simply enter. Wow, we have here. What interesting thing you did here? We did here. Or I want to make it 13. So I'll change it to 13. You can enter twice so that it will have a command. Look how beautiful thing we did. So yeah, you can save whatever. If you want to save this one, the boxes, you can save everything you want. So let's start another thing by making relative coordinates. Let's go to polyline, and you can, I want to show you what you have to know when we call relative coordinates. So the relative points are these ones, but you can make a rectangle using relative coordinates. And when we say polar coordinates, then it will be the distance, the angle, and then the next point and the last point. So what you have to know is if this is 0, then the angle should be, if you rotate it all over, then it should be 360. But if you rotate it, it could be 90 degrees, so you can use this one also. So we can see later after you exercise with this one. I hope you have been exercising with Rhino a lot. So we will see about relative and polar coordinates later. Thank you.